In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself smoothly through using Google Drive. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Google account. You'll need this as your gateway to accessing all the essential tools and documents stored in your Drive. If you haven't already logged in, head over to google.com and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your Google email and password, then click Next to access your account. Once logged in, you're all set to open Google Drive. Now, direct your attention to the array of Google apps located in the upper right-hand corner of your Google page. Look for a small grid made up of 9 dots, often referred to as the App Launcher or the Google Apps icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various Google services. Take your time to look through these options, as they are quite handy and versatile. Among the popular icons, you'll find Google Drive. Click on this icon, which will immediately transport you to your Google Drive homepage. Welcome to Google Drive. This is your central hub for storing files, sharing documents, and collaborating on projects. If you're unfamiliar with the layout, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the environment. Along the left sidebar, you'll notice options like My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and others. Each of these sections serves a unique purpose in organizing your files. My Drive is where your personal files and folders are stored, whereas Shared with Me holds documents others have shared with you. Let's move on to uploading a file. This is quite straightforward. At the top left corner of your Google Drive page, you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking on it presents you with options to upload files and folders directly from your computer. Select File Upload for individual documents or Folder Upload if you need to bring in an entire folder. A small window will open, allowing you to browse through your files. Choose the file or folder you wish to upload and click Open. Google Drive will then upload your selection, making it accessible from any device logged into your account. Sharing files in Google Drive is one of its greatest strengths. To share a document, simply right-click on the file you wish to share and select Share from the menu that appears. A window will pop up enabling you to add the email addresses of those you wish to share with. You can also set permissions for each person, controlling whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. Once you've set your permissions, click Send to share your file. With these steps, you've learned how to effectively navigate and utilize Google Drive. Whether for personal organization or professional collaboration, Google Drive offers a seamless experience in managing your digital content. Embrace these tools and watch as they transform the way you work and share.